Now we'll look at how to find antilog from log. Basically it is antilog table. In log table generally we'll find antilog also. Okay, now we are going to find antilog of the log values that we have already found out. In first example we got a value of log as 1.1881. Okay, now we already know that this value consists of two part, characteristic and mantissa. Now here characteristic value is equal to 1 and mantissa part is 0.188. Like log also consists of two parts. The first part is given by the characteristic and second part is given by mantissa part. Right? In this part what you have to do is you have to take 10 to the power of a characteristic value. In this case characteristic value is 1, so antilog will be 10 raised to 1. Now suppose it would have been 2, then the antilog will be 10 raised to 2. Right? For any general characteristic value of x, antilog will be 10 raised to x. Right? Mantissa part is 0.1881. Now this value we have to look in Antilog tables. Okay, let us move to Antilog tables and we have to search for 0.18. Same logic, first two digit 0.18, this gives row number, third digit column number, and fourth digit mean difference. So we'll go to row number 0.18, that is this row number 0.18, column number 8, that is 1542, right? And mean difference is 1. In first mean difference we'll get value of 0. Generally you have to add the value that you get from row and column number with mean difference has to be added. So total value is 1542, right? 1542. Now this is not the actual mantissa part. Mantissa will be 1.542. You have to place a decimal point after first digit. Okay, first digit from the left. So 1.542. So the actual value of antilog is antilog of 1.811 is equal to product of characteristic part into mantissa. Characteristic part is 10 raised to 1 into mantissa part is 1.542. So that is equal to 15.42. This is the actual value, if you remember, right? 150 or 15.42. Second example that we'll take is suppose we have to find antilog of 2.9223. Again it has to be divided into two parts, characteristic and mantissa. Here the characteristic value is 2, so the value of antilog will be 10 raised to 2, and mantissa part is 0.9223. So row number 0.92, that is given the first two digits, column number is 2, and mean difference is 3. So from this two value will get is 0.92, and column number 3, this corresponds to column number 0, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, the value will be 8375. Okay, 92 and third one 8375 plus mean difference in third 1 2 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, the final value is 8381. Okay, this value is 92 and second column, 92 zeroth column, first column, second column, this is second, right, 92 and second is 8356. This value is actually 8356, and in this the third main difference is 6 plus 6, that is equal to 8361. Okay, and the actual Mantis part will be, put a decimal place after first digit on the left. Okay, so it is equal to 8.361. Okay, that is equal to 8.361. So final value of antilog of 2.9223 is product of Mantis and characteristic, that is equal to 8.361 into 10 raised to 2, that is 836.1. Let us take a third example. In our last example, antilog, we will find antilog of bar 1.3711. Again, it has the same procedure. Antilog is divided into two parts: characteristic and Mantis. In this place, our characteristic part is bar 1 or -1, and the antilog will be 10 raised to -1. Okay, Mantis part is plus 0.3711. So antilog of this value, for antilog of this value, we have to look in log tables. If you remember, bar 1 0.3711 corresponds to -1. This value is bar 1, bar indicates negative, -1, and the value after decimal places, that is 0.3711, were positive, 0.371 were positive, and this value is negative. Right? To find the Mantis part of 0.3711, we have to go and look in log table, antilog table. In row number 0.37, column number 1 is, in this case it is 2350, and mean difference is 0.37, row number, column number 1, and mean difference as 1. Okay, this is mean difference. Okay, so this value will get as 2350, right, 0.37, and column number 1, and mean difference, first column number 1 will get is 1, value is 1. plus 1, that is equal to 2351. So the actual value of Mantiza part, as we already discussed, is 2.351. So Mantiza part is equal to 2.351. Now, after finding characteristic in Mantiza, antilog of characteristic and antilog of Mantiza, the final value can be written as antilog of bar 1.3711 is equal to product of Mantiza, that is 2.351 into 10 raised to minus 1. This gives a value of 0.251, right? 2351. Okay, so till now we have looked